Hello everyone, I'm FuryCode. My channel is normally in Spanish, but I'd like to make the effort to try to make some devlogs in English to see how it goes. I'll tell you in advance that my English is quite bad. I've been developing the idea of creating an action RPG for quite some time now. At times I made progress and at times put it aside, but I always wanted to finish this game. My idea with this game is to be able to launch it on Steam and also on itch.io and be able to sell it at a not too high price, although at the moment it's free, so I can test with more people and would get feedback. My idea is to expand this game as much as possible, starting with a story mode, then a royal mode, and eventually adding a multiplayer mode. I developed this game almost alone, the programming, art, music and everything. I did it myself, of course, using the Godot Engine software. Well, actually almost everything. My art isn't very good, so I looked for other people's art with Creative Commons Zero license to adapt it to my game. I also used cutout animation to save time on the art. As also for the game story, I also changed the approach recently. At first, the story was a bit random and a bit personal, but I decided to change it up to broaden my audience, but I still wanted to give some personal touches. I hope not too many signs I consider myself a bit different from many other people. You can see the link to the game in the description of this video. It's available to play in HTML5 as well as for PC. Well, that's all for this mini devlog. I hope you like it, and thanks to those who encouraged me to do the devlog in English as well. I hope you like it, and remember to leave a like, as it always helps, and subscribe if you want to wait for more devlogs. Bye!